then I will be able to see. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So what you are going to discuss today with me? And while editing, cut this part we have discussed
Yeah,
before.
yeah, yeah. I will cut this part.
Yeah. So tell me, what do you want to discuss today?
Like I have no special topic to discuss because I was
Okay.
also mailed you like which topic I want. It's 1 month ago. I
Mhm.
also told you like give me a topic.
Okay. Oh God, I think I forgot.
Maybe,
As soon as I see your face, then I thought, okay, yeah, we had able to recall like we had a session together.
yeah.
Hello, what happened?
Sometimes your voice is stuck. I don't know why.
I think nowadays it is happening many a times because of the network, I guess. Is it okay now?
Yeah, it is okay.
Okay. So, what do you want to discuss? I don't know. I thought it is the very first session with this girl. I didn't know like we had a session together. Okay, no problem. Okay. So, is there any topic in your mind that we can
Yeah,
discuss
I have
or we can do
one
this?
dot. Yes, I have one dot, not a topic. So I want to ask with you. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like in
absolutely.
these days, I am learning lots of phrasal verbs. Yeah. And I try to use those phrasal verbs in my conversation. But problem is that when I was doing conversation, that time suddenly I'm not able to recall those phrasal verbs. Yeah. So
Okay.
that is a big problem because people say when you're able to use phrasal verbs in your conversation, it sounds good. You
Yes.
also
But
fluency is also increase.
mhm, absolutely. So for that reason, first the thing is like start using first nice words, then switch to phrasal verbs. Because if you are not good at using nice words, then switching only just on phrasal verbs is not going to polish your English. First, start using words and then switch to phrasal verbs. Now, if you have already started learning phrasal verbs, so how you can recall and how you can be able to use immediately and spontaneously without thinking about those phrasal verbs. So do one thing, as soon as you learn 2 or 3 phrasal verbs, try to write down on a paper and
Yeah.
keep those phrasal verbs in front of you while having conversation. Maybe you will keep those phrasal verbs in front of you in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 sessions. In 5 sessions, if you are continuously seeing those phrasal verbs and trying to use deliberately, after 5 sessions you will be able to use without seeing. Okay, because initially when we learn something for the very first time, it is not easy for us to use immediately, right? So
Yeah,
first,
yeah.
take it as a burden, don't stress out, just try to keep it in front of you, and while having conversation, try to use put those phrasal verbs somewhere deliberately, like, right after some
Yeah.
sessions you are doing this practice deliberately, and after having a great command over those 5 to 6 phrasal verbs, then switch to the other one. Don't learn every single day, only pick 6, and when you once you have a great command over those 6 phrasal verbs, then learn other 6. Okay, like this you can do. Keep in front of you, try to use and use till you are not able to speak it automatically. This is the only solution, because once you
Okay.
start using that is the only solution. You have to use them deliberately.
It means you
Okay.
I can use again and again many times. Then it
Yes.
easily recall. Yeah.
If you are not able to recall, then keep in front of you. After some time, automatically it will be imprinted in your mind because you are using them deliberately. Then it will be imprinted in your mind and you will be able to use it without saying. Okay?
Okay.
Yeah. And second thing I want to ask, like, in which language do you think?
In this day, I try to think in English.
That's great. Because that will help you to in your fluency to ace your fluency easily. Because fluency comes when you are not translating those words or those sentences in your mind first. Okay. So if you are
Yeah.
directly trying to think in English, it will boost your confidence and it will ace your fluency. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, yeah. Anything else that you wanna ask?
No, you
No.
can
So
ask.
tell me, how has your day been so far? It is Sunday today, so what did you do?
Yeah, it's lots of work because my son it today is his holiday and
Mm-hmm.
lots of work and all family members stay at home mostly Sunday. So
Mm-hmm.
I finish my all household chores. Then I in this time I'm free and so I'm just
Okay,
talking to you.
okay, okay, great. And how are you
Mostly
doing
Sunday is
your?
very busy day according to me. Like Sunday is full day work, lots of work and many things to do, extra work. Yeah.
Yes, I have heard it many a time because as you know, I talk to many housewives nowadays, and even I two or three housewives there who are connecting with me like thrice in a week because they are taking paid sessions. So they, whenever I postpone their session, like we will have a session on the weekend or Sunday, they always come, no, ma'am, I cannot manage on Sunday because it is really hectic. My daughter will be
Yeah,
here, my
Sunday is
son
very
will be
difficult.
here. Yes, so for
Yes.
everyone, Sunday is a holiday, but for
Yes.
housewives, Sunday is the
Never.
most working
Yes,
day.
yes, yes, it is true.
uh-huh. Yeah, yeah, it is true. I have heard it many times. Like every single housewife is saying this same thing. Like, on Sunday I'm very busy. On Sunday I have to do this. On Sunday my son is there, my daughter is there, my husband is there. I have to do all the things and all that. So yeah, I can understand. Like housewives are doing their full job, and even especially Sundays are not weekends for them, right?
Yeah, yeah, it is true because
Yeah.
Sunday is not, especially weekend for a housewife. Yeah.
Yes, yes, yes.
Not-
So when do you spend enjoy your weekend? Like Saturday, Sunday is not for you. Then when do you enjoy?
Like other days, you can say that like Monday, Tuesday, I have lots of free time. After 11 o'clock,
Mhm.
then I am free.
Okay, okay, okay. So only Saturday and Sunday is hectic for you.
Yes, most of the
Okay.
Sundays.
Okay. Most of the time Sunday. Yeah, great. Okay. So how your speaking practice is going on? Are you talking to strangers?
Yes, I last to week I was talking many stranger and it was good experience and every day I found like lots of improvement in myself and also I improve my fluency day by day and it was good.
Ah, that's great. That's great. You said I was talking many strangers. I was
Yeah,
talking to or I was talking with. Use any preposition to or with.
talking
Okay?
with.
Yes. I was talking to many strangers or I was talking to or with many strangers. Whatever you wanna use a preposition there. Okay? Okay. So nowadays you are talking to many strangers. Are they all YouTubers or like other people too?
Yeah, most of the YouTubers.
Okay, okay.
Yeah,
Because of
most
your
of the
YouTube channel, I guess you are able to connect with YouTubers.
yeah. Yes, I have.
Okay, okay, great. And tell me about your YouTube channel, how it is going.
Yeah, it is going good. Most of the time I record shorts video with my son. Yeah, I
Mm-hmm.
teach my son and nowadays his influence is also increasing day by day. So
That's
most
great.
of the yes and
Okay,
upload shorts video.
okay, okay. That's good. And while talking to strangers, what is the most important lesson that you have learned?
Yeah, people like every time giving us cues how to practice. Yeah, because I have no time. So that is
Mm-hmm.
a big reason according to me. Like they not able to do proper practice due to time and due to like say I'm not interested to doing practice. Yeah. So this is a kind of problem I'm finding lots of people and
Mm-hmm.
they say like I'm watching lots of video on YouTube and learning rules but not giving proper time for practice.
Mm-hmm.
So like
Okay, and
according
what
to me
you
practice is very important.
Yeah, practice is very, very important. Great. And practice is important with consistency. Like you cannot say like
Consistency.
practice for 2 days or 3 days, then they are taking, then wanna take a break for 2 days or 3 days, then it is not going to work. Right? Every
Right.
English learner has done this. Like maybe in past or maybe sometime they have done, but now if you are very serious, you have to, pay put your 100% every single day with very consistency. You have to do the practice every single day, right?
Consistency is very important.
Yes, yes, absolutely. Now after this session, you have to do one thing: check your pronunciation of time.
Time.
Yes, you are using it time.
Okay. Time.
It is time. Don't say time. It is time. Okay, time.
Time.
Yes, time. Okay. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. So, if you get a chance to visit any foreign country, is there any particular destination, like dream place where you wanna go, you wanna visit?
Okay. First, I want to visit in India, like lots of play things to absorb, and I want to visit each and every place in India. First,
Yes.
my dream, yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
Then I will decide which country I want to go. But firstly, my future plan, like I want to visit in India, each and every state,
That's great. I also want to visit
because
India first
many
because in
things
India
here.
itself we have diversity in
Yeah,
everything, in culture,
yeah.
language, and food, and every single thing we have diversity in India itself. We don't need to go. Want to visit each and every place in India first. Then I'll think about going out of the country. Okay, so any place there where you have been, okay, for some time, or you have visited?
No, not now.
Not
Only
yet. And
not
when
yet.
you are planning to start this journey, like visiting different places, when you are going to start it? Okay. And I'm asking, like, when are you planning to start this journey, like your travel journey? When you are going to start it?
I'm not like,
Sure.
yeah,
Okay.
I'm not sure about this.
Okay, okay. Because if we always say in future, we don't know. We also don't know what kind of future, which future we are talking about.
Yeah.
Because for a boy, 10-year boy is also talking about future. A 20-year-old boy is talking about a future. A 30-year-old man is also talking about future. A 40-year-old man is also talking
Yeah.
about future. So what is exactly future, like, after 30, after 40, or maybe you must have decided something like after 40 I'll start the journey or something like that. That's why I asked this. If you
When I
have any
start
plan.
earning money, yeah, my
Mhm.
future plan is become a teacher. When I become a self-dependent, then I will decide it, because it is a very
Okay.
dependent. Yeah, it's
Yes,
very
we
important.
always feel like I want to spend my own money on my own
Yes,
experiences. If you want, if I want to travel, I want to have my own money first, then I would go there. Right?
yes.
Ah, yeah, great, great. So, are you a foodie person? Like, do you wanna eat a lot out?
No, I'm not, but my child and my husband both.
Okay,
Mostly, I
okay,
like to eat homemade food.
okay. Same here. I also love to eat at home, only cooked by my mother. I don't like to eat out.